हाय गाइस, दिस इज प्रिया और आज मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ कि न्यूड प्रोडक्ट्स को किस तरह यूज़ किया जाए। आई मीन न्यूड मेकअप। तो मेकअप में न्यूड लिपस्टिक्स कैसे लगते हैं एंड विदाउट मेकअप कैसे लगते हैं। आई विल बी ऑल्सो टेलिंग यू अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट, क्योंकि आई ऑलवेज लव न्यूड मेकअप। जो न्यूड लिपस्टिक्स दैट्स माई फेवरेट। तो इफ़ इन केस बहुत से लोगों को नहीं पता है कि न्यूड लिपस्टिक्स प्रॉपरली कौन से ब्रांड में लिया जाए, so I'll be showing you the brand name, the price list and everything in this video. So guys, if in case you're looking for a very good nude lipstick, this I have it from a BU brand. ये brand थोड़ा expensive है actually. So I got it this like very newly, I think 2 days ago, and I just loved it. ये बहुत ही long lasting है and the price of this product is $800. तो मुझे डिस्काउंट में मिला, मे बी बिकॉज न्यू ईयर डिस्काउंट्स चल रहे हैं। सो आई गॉट इट इन आई थिंक 650 समथिंग, बट द ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट ऑफ दिस इज 800 रुपीज़ एंड आई विल शो यू। सो दिस इज हाउ इट इज़। You get lot of products in the same type, crayon kind, but this is a very long lasting. मैंने मतलब this lipstick what I'm wearing right now, ये सुबह मैंने डाला था और अभी तक after having lot of food and everything, and it still remains, which is the good thing about it. So if in case you want that proper nude wala shade, then you can go for this, and I'll also tell you the shade number. This is 408 matte. The 408 matte wala, you can go for it. It's a proper nude. And if in case if you don't like crayon kind, you can also go for this is a very less one, but Miss Claire ka soft matte lip cream. So this is like a cream basis kind, but it gives a matte finish. But I think they have stopped this product, but this was one of the very good lipsticks I was using in the nude. So if in case you are going for nude lipsticks, use this product. So it's very nice. And guys, if you're feeling sometimes ऐसा होता है कि हम लोग nude lipstick डाल लेते हैं और मुंह पे कुछ makeup नहीं है, then it looks really bad, your face looks very dull. तो if in case अगर सिर्फ आप lipstick के basis पे बाहर जा रहे हो तो and if you think nude lipstick आपको suit नहीं कर रहा है, what you do is wear a nude lipstick, on that add a pinch of any colored lipstick what you like bold pink or bold red or any other bold brown like. So I have this one more lipstick from Maybelline. This is again, this is also 650 rupees ka hai, and this is something like between pinkish red kind of lip color. I'll show you. I'll put it on my lips. So you can just, if you wear a pink lipstick, you can put a little pinch of this like this, or you can apply it completely on your lips. And it takes little time to dry it up, but this is also like complete matte. So I think I am trying this for the first time, but it is very nice. मैंने इसको देखा, मतलब first time when I tried it, I really loved it. So if you want complete matte finish lipstick, then you can, and it dries up very fast also, and even this is like very long lasting. So the shade is 80 Ruler. So if you want little like pinkish red, then you can go for this color, the shade number 18 from Maybelline matte ink. Yeah, so you see this. Okay, all right guys, so if in case you again want something really red, if you want to give little nice look, then you can go for another red lipstick from Miss Claire. So I don't think so again ये product है कि नहीं, maybe they have closed it, but this is the shade number 46 if in case you get it somewhere. So guys, if you don't like matte finish, if you want to make it glossy, then you can use this Baby Lip का lip color winter flush. You can just, and this is a very nice one. मैं तो ऐसे ही लगा लेती हूँ. Just take a pinch of it and apply it on your skin and on your lip. to give a shiny finish. So here it gives a shiny look, but I personally don't like it because I'm so used to matte look. So after this glossy look, and if in case you're looking for a nude blush, then I also have it from Color Essence. This is one of my favorite one. तो ये blush बहुत ही अच्छा है and it's very nude, matte finish, and especially when you're on makeup, when you apply this blush, it looks very hot and sexy. So guys, because most of them, they don't know actually which is proper nude color, so I'll give you the details of this. Before that, have a look. So this looks like this, and it is from Color Essence. The price of this is $325 and it's very affordable. So this is how it looks, creamy kind, matte, but I'll apply and show you on my face. I don't have brush right now. Let's see, like it just completely gives you that nude look. I don't know whether it's visible, but from the brush it will be like, हाथ से ज़्यादा अगर आप brush use करोगे तो बहुत अच्छे से आएगा. गाइस, न्यूड लुक में मेनली ये होता है कि आपको ज़्यादा मेकअप की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. सपोज यू पुट अ वेरी लाइट फाउंडेशन, यू कैन यूज़ एनी BB cream or CC cream, Lakme का CC cream, use that, and after that just wear one nude lipstick with a pinch of any bright color on tip of your lips. And after that, same, take a lipstick. You don't need eye shades or anything, just take it and dab it on your eyes, the lids of the eyes, and it looks pretty much nice. And take a nude blush also, put it on your cheeks, and it looks really good. So this is what nude look is all about, and these products are very nice, guys. You should try these products because इससे क्या होता है, अच्छे product use करने से your skin glows when you wash it off, and it doesn't harm your skin much compared to other local products. So if you also like higher brands, or you know, like Makeup Studio, Krylon, or MAC ka, so I suggest those products also. But it's good if you know, take it from different brands and use it. According to that, your skin will also give a nice touch, guys. And of course, after that, even nail colors also, you can go with these kind of nude nail colors, like right now, which I'm wearing it now. So if in case like if you're any complexion, nude always is on trend and it looks good. So guys, that's it for today. So hope you like this video. If you like it, give a thumbs up and comment below that how's the video and what kind of videos you like. Thank you so much.